Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Olympic and World 100-meter silver medalist Kishane Thompson is not ruling out contesting the 200-meter event this season after setting a new world best over 150 meters last weekend. Should he contest the event this season, Thompson could meet compatriot Akeem Blake over the distance, with Blake signaling his intention to contest the half-lap event. Jermaine Brown reports.
Olympic and World 100-meter silver medalist Kishane Thompson lowered a 32-year-old world best mark in the 150 meters when he sped to 14.92 seconds to win the event at the Miramar Invitational in Florida, USA last Saturday, April 4. Thompson's time is the fastest ever ran in the 150 meters on a circular track. However, faster times have been recorded on a straight 150 track, including Usain Bolt's all-time best of 14.35. The 24-year-old MVP track club athlete described the run as solid.
The start was alright. It's just nice little training run. Nothing too hard, but I could have done a bit more in the middle. No, not really the turn. The turn was good. It was like more in the middle. I could have been at but solid run.
But as for whether this means the Stephen Francis coached sprinter will contest the 200 meters this season, he had this to say.
Let's see.
You don't want to run the 200?
Let's see.
Thompson, who has rarely contested the event as a senior athlete, owns a personal best of 20.92 for the 200 meters done in 2022. But while Thompson is coy as to whether he'll run the 200 meters this season, Akeem Blake says he'll run the half-lap event in 2026. Blake sped to a slightly wind-aided 9.84 to win the 100 meters at the Miramar Invitational. He reflected on his victory in Florida.
Feeling good, follow my coach's instruction, execute a proper race, and the time will come. So I'm just out here having fun. I've been working on my last part of my race, me and coach, so it actually showed here.
And as for the 200 meters,
I'm gonna run some 200 Diamond League, so I will be there.
Blake has a personal best of 20.20 for the 200 meters. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.